So in this video, we will going to discuss about the C program to read n numbers, sort them by using bubble sort, and search for the item using binary search. So here include stdio.h and conio.h, that is the two header files. So we are going to write a function binary search int key, int a and int n. So we are going to open the loop in parenthesis. So low, high and mid are the integer variables. We are going to initialize the value of low is equal to 0, high is equal to n minus 1. While low is less than or equal to high, open the loop, mid is equal to low plus high by 2. If key is equal to a mid, then return mid. If key is less than a mid, then high will be equal to mid minus 1. Then if key is greater than a mid, low is equal to mid plus 1, and then close the parenthesis, return minus 1. Then we'll write the same for the bubble sort. So again open the loop, int ij temp. For j is equal to 1, j is less than and j plus plus. Again open the loop. For I is equal to 0, I is less than n minus j, j I plus plus. So it will be I is less than n. So that is more than enough. Then open the loop. If ai is greater than ai plus 1, open the loop. Temp is equal to ai is equal to ai plus 1. I plus 1 is equal to temp. This is for the exchange of the number elements from one to the other. Then for I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, open the loop, printf, and percentage %d backslash t a of I, and they close the loops now. Main. So main program CLR SCR. So again we have I comma n comma a20. So key position int key positions. Enter the number of items and scanf, read those statement, read the element. Now items, enter the items to sort. So enter the elements in a for loop, then the items after the bubble sort. So bubble sort, call this subfunction, then printf slash n, enter the items to be searched, and then give the percentage %d and key, position equals binary search. If position is equal to -1, then item is not found, and else item is found at particular position. So here the items to search is 40, 50, 30, 10, 20. Items after the bubble sort, it is arranged in ascending order. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Item to be searched 50, then the item found at position 1. So this is how we will be executing this program, and also this has been already been explained in detail in our the individual bubble sort program. And similarly, enter the number of items 5, enter the items to search 40, 50, 30, 10, 20. So you arrange it in ascending order. So it will be 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Enter the items to be searched is 60. Item is not found. So we are going to try to write this program by using the C. So to do that, so first we will go for C program and write the new program here. So again one more new. So here we will say include stdio.h, include conio.h, then binary underscore search, then int key, int a, int n, then open the loop, int low, high, mid. Then initialize the value of low equals 0, then high is equal to n minus 1. Then while low is less than or equal to high, enter the loop, mid equals low plus high by 2. Then if key equals a mid, then return mid. Return mid. Again if key is less than a mid, then high will be equal to, because high value will going to change here, mid minus 1. Again if key is greater than a mid, then low value will going to change. Low will be equal to mid plus 1, that is to the right side of the midpoint. So here here mid. Then the next thing is mid plus 1, and we will going to close this, then return minus 1, then close this. Now we will going to write the subprogram for a bubble sort. Bubble sort underscore sort, open the int a, then int n. So here int j comma I comma temp for j equals 1, j is less than n, j plus plus, this is for the pass, again number of passes. Then for I equals 0, I is less than n or n minus j, then I plus plus, this is for the iterations. Then if a of I is greater than or equal to a of I plus 1, then close it and open the loop. Here temp equals a of I, then a of I will be equal to ai plus 1, then ai plus 1 equals temp, then close it, then you close this, and then you close this. Then for I equals 0, I is less than n, then I plus plus, then write the printf statement for this. So printf percentage d backslash t and a of I, then close it, then close, then go to main function, then open the parenthesis, then clr scr, then int I comma n comma a 20, then int key position, then printf enter the number of items backslash n scanf percentage d and n. Then printf enter the items to search, to sort and search both. So here we will have for read those items, I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, then open the loop, scanf percentage d and a of I, then close it, then printf the items after the bubble sort, then bubble sort a comma n, call that program, then go to printf /n and then printf enter the items to be searched, enter the items to be searched /n scanf percentage d and key element. So once you do that, so position we'll go to call this, so binary search key comma a comma n. Then if position equals -1. Then printf item not found. Then else printf item found at position %d \n position +1. Then get ch function, then close it. So statement missing for low value is equal to 0 here. So we have one error, so we have rectified that. So enter the number of items 5, items to be sort and search. So 40, then I will going to take 50, then 30, then 10, then 20, then items to be searched. Items after the bubble sort is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Then enter item to be searched. I will going to take 20, item not found. Why? To be searched, item not found. So here there is some mistake here. Low is equal to mid plus 1. Return should be, 1 minute, I will go to 5 and I will go to save this. Save this as the number, I will say 5. So binary search. So the problem with this program, mid is equal to low plus high by 2. If key is equal to a mid, then key is equal to n minus 1. If key is equal to a mid, mid is equal to O plus if key is equal to a mid, then return mid. If key is less than a mid, here. So here we are giving this statement. So that is where we are giving wrong thing here. Then go to run this program. Enter the number of items 5, items to be sort. So 40, 50, 10, 30 and 20. So after the sorting it will be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Enter key item to be searched 20. So item found at position 2. So this is how you will going to execute this program. So similarly again we will going to give 5 items. So we will going to get 40, 50, then 30, 10, 20. So then you are going to get it as, again, enter item to be searched. It is say, for example, we will going to take it as 55 or 60. So it says item not found. So this is how this program will going to be executed by considering the bubble sort and as well as the binary search. So bubble sort, it will going to assembles in a ascending order. Then after that we will going to first search for the item, and the item whether it is found or it is not found, we will going to execute both the cases. And this is how you will be able to write the program on bubble sort and binary search both together, and finally it will going to be executed. So I am going to say save changes no, so we are going to come out of this program.